Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Starz subscription, full guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Starz subscription, start by launching the Starz app or visiting the Starz website. If you're using the app, log into your account if you're not already signed in. For website users, click on the login button at the top right corner and enter your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for an option labeled Subscription, Manage Subscription, or similar. Click on that option to view details about your current subscription. Next, find the option to cancel your subscription. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to cancel. Follow any additional prompts that appear on your screen to finalize the cancellation. For Amazon, open the Amazon website and log into your account. Navigate to your memberships and subscriptions and find Starz. Click on Manage Subscription and select the option to cancel. For Apple users, open the Settings app on your device. Tap on your name at the top, then select Subscriptions. Find Starz in your list of subscriptions and tap on it. Choose the option to cancel your subscription. After cancellation, check your email for a confirmation notice. Keep in mind that you will still have access to Starz until the end of your current billing cycle. Always double-check your account settings to ensure that the cancellation was successful. Your Starz subscription will now be canceled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.